This video will help you get to some resources for students during our distance learning time. The student landing page, which is where students actually, when they turn on their Chromebooks and they get logged in, this is the web page that it goes to automatically. If it doesn't go to this page, if they click on the house, then it should get them to that page. Once again, on their Chromebooks they use for school. If you are a parent and you're trying to access this page, you can go to the school's website and then click down and choose your school. Once you get to your school, then you're going to go to where it says students. And then you should be able to go to this Chrome landing page, and that should get you to that student landing or that student home page. There are a few new icons that the students probably aren't used to. So this is the attendance button, and this is going to be used for grades 1 through 12. Kindergarten teachers will be sending home an email weekly, so it's a little bit different for kindergarten. This tab or this tile will actually take you to the principal's message. Each principal will have a message linked to this that the students should watch every day, just for the principal to say hi. And then specialist teachers, this will take you to music, ed, media, band, art, sometimes a reading specialist. So if you want to get to a specialist teacher, that will take you there. And here is a link to the classroom website, so the teachers' classroom websites. So if you're not sure where to get materials, that would be a good place to start with your students to see if there's some instructions there for them. And the last are tech tutorials. So if you're running into any issues with technology, there are links to different tutorials, both on documents and then videos that you could take a look at to try to help you out with any technology problems that you might have. Hopefully this will help you out. Once again, the landing page, and many of the teachers are using Google Classroom. So if you click on that link and then either have a join code, or the actual tile might have the word join in the lower right-hand corner for your students. Hope this is helpful. Have a good day.